Magandang hapon po ng Friday, February 28, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, February 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 28, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, February 28, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for February 28, 2025, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, February 28, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.